Hi, I'm Farai. Welcome to my random corner of the internet. Recently, dark mode has become a big deal. I didn't really care about it until my devices got iOS 13. Not only did it have dark mode, but it toggled automatically. To jump on all the hype and to introduce my new YouTube channel, I decided to add dark mode to my personal website. Poorly. Here's how. Until recently, the only way to add dark mode was through JavaScript. Nowadays, CSS has a media query called prefers color scheme, which allows for the detection of system-wide color scheme, dark, light, or unspecified, and lets you add CSS specific to that color scheme. There are smart ways to support dark mode, but the way I did it isn't one of them. The thing which made the biggest difference is changing the background color and flipping the font color. Note that I'm using Sass here, and given that I would be reusing the colors quite a bit, I decided to make variables for them. Looks dramatic at first, but that's because of the background. The header is still bright blue. To fix that, I got rid of the border along with moving the RGB slider to some sort of dark greenish blue color with RGB value 28,40,46, which is close to Charleston green, the color used by the people of Charleston after the American Civil War, so Wikipedia says. Even though the delimiting border isn't there anymore, there's a slight difference between the background and the header background. Another thing that really popped out to me was how bad the contrast between some of the links and the background is. I would have overlooked it had the contrast not been so stark, and yet it was. The main changes here had to do with making the various link states more noticeable. Remember how I indiscriminately inverted the colors? Turns out that made all the text colors white for the most part, including in block quotes which I hadn't changed. Not surprising, but it was. Thankfully, the fix is trivial as I just removed the background color. Another case where the indiscriminate color switch was a problem was in tables. The tables have a black border and a striped pattern on every other row with a light blue background. Besides being virtually unreadable, it also looks terrible. With a bit of CSS, it looks decent again. While I have dark mode now, it sucks. Here's why. 1. Important is overused. There is a way to structure CSS, one that wouldn't use so many important statements, but the way I did it isn't one. 2. The website CSS is poorly structured. 3. There's no way to switch the theme in case someone doesn't like it, which is likely because 4. It's ugly. I'll fix dark mode when I start my great website redesign yet again. Thanks for watching my first YouTube video, on this specific channel at least. My channel, Farai Gandia, has a creative name, but this is just until I can get a voice. The main focus will be programming, but given that I'm trying to figure things out, there may be some tangents. I've got the ambitious goal of 12 videos by the end of the year, much like the 15 blog posts in 15 days challenge. The main subscriber goals I have are 1 subscriber to prove that someone likes my videos, and 1,000 subscribers to unlock monetization. Help me out by subscribing to my YouTube channel and sharing my videos. Also, if you were particularly inspired by this video, do me a solid by sponsoring me on Patreon, sending me a tip on PayPal, getting a domain through my Namecheap affiliate link, or by buying something through my Amazon affiliate link. Later.